Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your cPanel language to any other language. This is very simple but must be useful. You know, sometimes you're in another country, you need to fix somebody's computer, or you just buy a hosting plan with any provider and they in a different language. So here's what you need to do. Just go down. Once you're logged in your cPanel, go down and find this icon, okay? Find this icon. No matter if you cannot read this, just click on it and then you're going to be able to search for whatever language you need. Here's English, okay? So it's very simple, but you know, sometimes when you log into your cPanel, you're not gonna see this, you're not gonna find this icon because maybe it's collapsed or because, you know, somebody removed it. So right now you're kind of lost, okay? So all you need to do is just open Google, search for translate and search for the word language. Now go to the language you're actually in. Like right now we are working with Greek cPanel. So here's the word language in Greek. We copy this, right? We go back to cPanel and we move to the top over here to the search bar and we write or we paste this word. So right now you can see this option, you click on it and here we are in the same place and we can search for English around here, English. Click on the blue button and there it is. Now our cPanel is in English, you see? And that's all you need to do, folks. So I hope you like it. I hope this be useful for you. Please subscribe to the channel and we're going to bring you more videos on cPanel. Bye.